Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I was going to be roasting the squishy. It's very ugly. Well, it's not really ugly, but it's just really well loved. So yeah, let's get started. First thing I want to say is that this thing broke. It was hanging on from an edge. I tried to super glue it and everything. Even was ripping apart this way. So yeah. Also, it has one little hole right here. There's something forming down here. And just lots of other cracks. And a beautiful face. Which I love the face. I absolutely love this, but I just can't bear to see all the bad, just, yeah.